Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muhammad Abdurrahman Mohi, and today I'm standing for the position of Chief Minister of Telangana. So, first of all, we'll look into the problems that are coming in Telangana. So, the alarming problem is that the educated youth aren't getting any jobs, and then we are seeing an alarming rate of farmer suicides. That's because of financial burden and the availability of water in their irrigation. The third reason might be the lack of proper facilities in hospitals and government colleges or engineering institutions. So I think Telangana deserves a better leadership and better solutions for that. So my resolution for this is that I strongly believe that people of Telangana and Telangana deserves a better leadership. So with this, we can integrate new technologies into our education and also equally develop our cities and villages, because while you can see the cities are overdeveloped and so urbanized that there are traffic problems in traffic, poor infrastructure and pollution, and whereas we see cities, whereas we see the villages where there's lack of basic necessities, like people right now also have to walk like 3 kilometers just to get water. So I think we have to have a balance of development in our cities and our villages, and I think we should integrate more technology and more urbanization in our villages too. That's it.